Good morning, guys. So today I figured I would vlog. I just made like a protein coffee smoothie, and this was like the second time I've made it, and this time is so much better. I decided to add peanut butter to it, and it just helped elevate the taste so much better because I don't taste the protein as much. Super good. Then of course I have my green drink. So today I kind of wanted to go to IKEA because I saw a video of a YouTuber and she bought this like hanging shelf that has drawers in it, and I kind of want to get that same thing but put it into my beauty room. So I want to do like a mini beauty room update. So earlier I was talking about how I wanted to get the hanging shelf. I wanted to put it on my vanity, so like right here in this area, and I measured how big it will be on here, and then with dry erase I traced out the measurements. And I did this just so I can have like an overview of the size that it will be right here. And so far I think it'll look good. So I'll just put it right underneath the mirror area. But I figured if I don't like it here, I could put it on top of my dresser area right here. It'll fit perfectly over here, just leave a little gap at the ends. Here's a quick overview of the makeup of the day. So I just got the new Dior blush in the shade Bronzed Glow. It's like a beautiful bronzy color. And then of course I got the matching lip oil. I'm wearing both of these right now. And I haven't used this Anastasia concealer in a long time, but I forgot how much I really like it. And I just finally used my new Ilia stick bronzer, so we'll see how this works throughout the day. And everything else I know I really like. So before I go to IKEA, I want to talk about a few things that I just got. So I already showed you guys these Dior products I got, but I got them straight from the Dior website because they came out a day before they did on Sephora, and I didn't know they were even coming out on Sephora. So I got the Bronze Glow blush and lip oil. Then I also got the Poppy Coral lip oil. And I did close-up swatches of these, so I'll link them down below if you want to see them close up. And of course I had to get the fancy luxury packaging that Dior does. But look, it gives you a cute little bag, and then I had a bunch of samples, but I already put those away. Then next I got this, looks so small, but it is this shapewear bodysuit, and the bottom is a thong. So you can wear it like with jeans and you won't see the lines. I usually get the thong fit because I don't like to see those lines. I got this in an extra small, and it's super tight and it just sucks everything in. It's super stretchy and it comes in a bunch of different sizes. And I really like how the straps are adjustable too. I got this from Amazon and I'm really excited to wear it out with some jeans and just see how cute it looks underneath outfits. And the last thing I got from Amazon, this is so cute, and it was only $12. Cute handbag, and it's like that puffer style that's super popular right now. This is so cute, perfect for a night out. I also got this on Amazon, but this is what the inside looks like. So you could fit your phone, some makeup in there, whatever else you need. It's not super big, but it will fit all your necessary items. Then it has a tiny little zip in the inside. I'm so excited to wear this out. IKEA trip was such a success. We ended up being there for almost an hour and I forgot how much I love IKEA. And we literally like got lost in all the options in the kitchen, but I had so much self-control and only got the one thing that I came there for, which was the drawers. I also went to Starbucks because I wanted to try out the new drink that they have. And this is the macadamia coffee. And this is so good. It's not too sweet and I can still taste the coffee, which I love. I also had to get the pineapple dream cake. Look how yummy that looks. Pretty good. Has yummy chunks of pineapple at the top. All right, so I'm about to put together my new IKEA drawers and hopefully it's easy. Most of IKEA stuff is pretty easy to put together and this isn't anything large. It only has 2 drawers. Look at this, all put together. It was a lot easier than I thought it would be, but it did take me a while because I only had this screwdriver as a tool. It would have been a lot faster if I had like a drill. I got it together and I had no issues, which is always nice. All right, so this is what my vanity looks like now, and I'm actually pretty happy with how it turned out. I still have a lot of space right here to put makeup whenever I do my makeup or skincare. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna put in the drawers yet, but I definitely think I'm gonna put like everyday makeup or something in here. And then on this side, I just put my current favorite like setting mists in here, and I'll probably put like new makeup to try out in here. In this area used to have this, which I just have like lip glosses or mini skincare items that I need to use. And then I also had my setting sprays on top, but I moved it on this side, so now I have my setting sprays over here, and I moved that all over there just so I could make room for this. It turned out pretty good. I'm not a big fan of how I have this, but I need this mirror when I do my makeup like up close because it has like a zoom in spot on it. So this is much needed. I just don't like where it's at. It is what it is. It's not horrible. I also love that this gave my mirror a boost, so it's a lot higher. Right now, I'm really craving super unhealthy food, and my guilty pleasure meal is ramen. So I saw this TikTok video of this meal, and it's basically bulldog noodles with mozzarella cheese melted with like mayo and corn. I don't have the bulldog noodles and I don't have like the Japanese mayo or anything, but I have stuff similar to it. This is the video I'm talking about. Like, look how yummy that looks. Like, I need to eat that now. So I'm gonna try and make that. I'm just gonna use these Shin ramen noodles. I love these noodles, they're so good with all the flavors. So here are the noodles cooking, and then it has like a little packet of veggies and stuff in there. So I'm just gonna have the noodles cook in a little bit of water, because this meal's not like a soup. It's almost like a pasta, you know, or like a stew, because it's thick, no soup. So I'm just gonna use canned corn, and then I have this sriracha mayo, and then mozzarella cheese. All right, once the noodles are about cooked, I'm going to go ahead and add the flavor to it. All right, so my noodles are about done. Now I just need to make like that yummy cheese corn topping. So in the video they added like sugar and stuff, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna do some corn and then of course mozzarella cheese and my mayo. Oops. Now I'm gonna mix it up. So this is what it looks like now, not melted. I'm gonna put the lid on and let that sit until it's all nice and melted. All right, so my noodles are ready. All right, here is that yummy, ooey gooey, cheesy corn. I'm just gonna add it right on top. And we of course have to add green onion on top. Give it that extra yummy flavor. This looks so yummy, I cannot wait to try this. Like, look at that cheesiness. Cannot wait. So good. I love ramen so much. I try not to eat it that much because obviously it's a lot of sodium, but oh, this is so good. Highly recommend this recipe if you're wanting to have a super yummy cheat meal. This is a good one. And the Shin noodles I used were spicy, so if you have spicy noodles, definitely recommend it to be spicy. All right, so I've had this Saint-Tropez tanning mousse for a little bit, and I've never self-tanned before. And I've been wanting to try it, so I've been watching like a bunch of videos on how to do it. So this is definitely gonna be a journey because I've never done this before. And I figured I would show my results. All the videos I watched, I saw a bunch of people using Loving Tan or something. I got this a little bit ago because it was on sale, so hopefully this is good too. I also bought the mitt that was sold separate. Actually fits really nice. I have already showered. I've already exfoliated the crap out of my skin because I don't want it to look patchy at all. And then I also moisturize my hands, my elbows, my knees, my feet, the drier parts of my body. But I did that about like an hour and a half ago, so I'm about to do it again because I just don't want to look like a crazy person with a bunch of fake tan splotches on my hands and elbows. I'm just using this Hemp's lotion. I love this lotion. Like, melts into the skin super quick and it's super hydrating. I usually just use this tanning lotion from this brand called Tan Luxe, and it's like this gradual tanning lotion. That one's really natural and I really like that one, but I want to look tan because I'm actually really pale right now, so I want to kind of test this out and see how I like self-tanning. So this is what I look like now. Not very tan. So I'm gonna do my arms and legs on camera, then obviously the rest of my body off camera. Leave on for 8 hours before showering. Your tan will develop over 4 to 8 hours into a medium golden glow. Exfoliate and moisturize regularly to prolong your tan. Like, how much do I even use? Is that too much? It's actually gliding on very nicely. And it has a nice scent to it. Definitely giving like an instant glow. I'm gonna do my hands last. All right, so I did the rest of my body off camera for obvious reasons, but it was so difficult to get my back. I put the glove on this back scrubber and just went like this, and I actually did pretty well. All right, so what I'm gonna do next is bronze up my face a little bit. And I'm just gonna put some in the lid and then just use this brush to apply a little bit on my face. I always see videos of people like self-tan contouring, so I'm just gonna put a tiny bit where the sun would naturally tan my face. So definitely the forehead, like my nose a little bit, obviously the cheeks, and then my neck area. I'm actually really scared of how this is gonna turn out. Like, I don't wanna look super patchy or anything. So I think I'm only gonna leave it on for about 6 hours and then wash it off. So I will see you guys in 6 hours. All right, so I just rinsed off the tan, and I don't know if you could tell on camera, but I'm definitely a little bit more bronzed, and it didn't turn out patchy in any areas, which is nice. So my hands look good, my arms look good, my elbows look good. Face doesn't look overly tan or patchy or anything. My stomach doesn't look patchy or anything, which is nice. So I only left it on for about 6 hours, and the bottle did say up to 8. So I think next time I'll probably leave it on for 8 hours because it looks good. It looks like I only wet up like 1 or 2 shades. So it's definitely very natural. I'm pretty happy with the results. I really want to try out that Loving Tan brand because I just hear so many amazing things about it. But overall, I'm really happy. I was so scared that it would turn out all patchy and gross, but it actually looks very good. And now I feel so much more comfortable doing it. I can't wait to try it again. But anyways, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. It will help me so much, and I will see you in the next vlog.